Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip show, we're going to look at HomePaper for iOS. HomePaper solves a small, but for me at the very least, aggravating problem in the Home app. There's just no good default wallpapers. HomePaper was developed by a lovely person named Aaron Pierce, who's created several other home apps that you might have heard of, such as HomePass, which is a great way of storing all of your HomeKit codes for your devices. It's free to download, and if you want to export multiple images, then it's 99p. Let's start by taking a look at the Home app and how we can set these wallpapers. Home app for iOS and iPadOS has some default backgrounds, and you can actually go ahead and change the background. Tap on the home icon in the top left and then scroll down. You can either change the background in Home Settings or Room Settings. With each of these, once you've selected it, then you can scroll down and you'll see your current selection. Now, if you've never changed this, it's going to be one of the defaults, selected at random. And you can also tap to choose from existing. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't really have a lot of great interior photos of my home. I love the way it looks, but getting something that represents my home from my own camera is kind of tricky, unless I'm willing to live with a fisheye view. And these default wallpapers aren't great either. And that's where HomePaper comes to the rescue. So let's start it up. So, as I mentioned at the top, the HomePaper app is free, and its entire purpose is to create wallpapers for your home in the Home app. And it does this by giving us access to stock photos and colors that we can overlay on them as gradients. So we can achieve something similar to the Home default wallpapers, but give ourselves a lot more options and customization.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.